primary purposes of government are fourfold: to establish laws, maintain order, protect citizens from external threats, and promote the general welfare by providing public services. First, all governments enact laws. However, the lawmaking process and systems vary from country to country. In an absolute monarchy or dictatorship, laws are proclaimed by a ruler. In a democracy, laws are made by the people, or more commonly, their elected representatives. Central to a democratic government is the principle of the rule of law, the idea that all people and institutions within a state are subject to the same laws. These laws must be publicly recorded, enforced equally across the population, and interpreted by an independent and unbiased body, such as a judicial branch. Both the governed and those who govern are equally protected and accountable for their actions. The second purpose of government is to maintain order. All governments work to establish order and security, but the underlying goal of that purpose can vary. Under an authoritarian government, the purpose of establishing order is in large part to maintain the stability and security of the regime. In democratic governments, the rule of law, or a commitment to laws, is used to maintain order and provide security within the state. The preamble to the Constitution calls this ensuring domestic tranquility. This tranquility includes providing institutions such as the criminal justice system, which has the role of protecting citizens from everything from physical harm to destruction or theft of personal property. The government also institutes the civil justice system as a mechanism citizens can use to settle disputes, another key component in maintaining order and/or security. The third purpose of government is to protect citizens from external threats. The protection provided by the government is not confined to maintaining order within its borders. The state also provides security from external threats. This includes physical attacks such as terrorism and invisible attacks such as cyber espionage. Moreover, the government has the authority to raise and maintain a military for defense purposes and the power to declare war. It can promote international security by participating in diplomatic efforts, signing treaties and other international agreements, and sending ambassadors to other countries to represent the country and its interest. The fourth major purpose of government is to provide for the general welfare. The word welfare in this sense refers to a state of happiness and well-being within a society. Governments provide a range of services to achieve this broad purpose, from public education, financial support to the old, maintaining a safe and efficient infrastructure such as highways and bridges, and providing access to clean air and water. While all governments share this broad purpose, they act to implement this goal to different degrees. Social welfare states, such as those found in much of Europe, provide extensive government services including free public education, income support, and government-supplied health care. In the United States, with its strong emphasis on individualism, liberty, and free markets, the government plays a less active role in promoting the welfare.